So this is our landing page where user lands up from the Facebook ads. Here user can see what we provide, and then user can select their class slot, and then can fill their details, and then book the class. Then they can simply select the slot which are available. So let's say they have booked the 9 p.m. slot for the 11th September. Now for the first class is paid, so they have to complete the rupees 9 payment to confirm their class. So we have integrated with the Paytm gateway. So then they will see this class confirmation button. Now they will get their information in the WhatsApp and all. So once a user have booked the class, they will get this message, the sample message automatically in their WhatsApp. So it will contain class link, it will contain rescheduling link. So let's say if they want to change the time, they can simply click on this link. It will contain the current time, and they can either join the class or they can change the class time. So if they will change the class time, it will simply ask them to select a new slot. They will select a new slot, and class will get rescheduled. So let's say if they reschedule, they will get this message like this. It will again contain the class link and all. So let's say if any user is not able to complete the payment for their first class, we send them this reminder WhatsApp message so that they can complete the payment. We are using Interact.ai APIs to send WhatsApp messages to our users. So let me show you things from the teacher's side. So whenever a teacher onboards with us, they do two things. They sync their Google Calendar and their Zoom account with our systems. So now, whenever they will get any class, they will get a mail like this. Let's say if they get a class of the student named Dhairya Kaushik, they will get a mail like this. It will contain the student details, grade, number, and class link to join. And this meeting will also get added in their Google Calendar event. So all classes they will get, it will get added in the Google Calendar as the event. So let's say if they have got a class of a student named as Gautam, it has been added in their Google Calendar here, and it contains all the information like class joining details, standard of the class, what is the name of salesman, number and all, and email ID. So now a teacher can look at their whole schedule from their Google Calendar, and Google Calendar is available in their mobile and desktop both. So they can check all the classes they have tomorrow or today. So they have 3 hours notice period for any class. And let's say if teacher want to manage their schedule, let's say if a teacher is busy from morning 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. So they can create a sample block like this, that this teacher has created in her Google Calendar. And then our systems will automatically get this info from the Google Calendar APIs and don't allot them classes at this time. So teachers can maintain their whole schedule from their Google Calendar, and teacher will get all the class info in the Google Calendar. Thank you. So this is the curriculum that we have prepared for the speaking program. It contains both one-on-one classes, and some classes are group conversation sessions. Not group classes, but where 4 students converse with them. So all the classes happens on the Zoom platform, and the content is prepared in the Google Slides. But we are planning to create our own interactive platform which will contain lots of clicking activity and drag and drop activities so that children can engage with the platform. Yeah, so these are the modules, and every module is divided into 3 levels according to the age of student. And this is another program that we offer. It is phonics program for the KG to 1. So we have 2 programs, speaking and phonics program. So for the group sessions that students enrolls with us, we send them this link that contains all the slots that are open for their class group, and then they can sign up for the respective slot, and they will get the group discussion class link, and teacher will also get info about which student have enrolled for the which group session. Thank you.